Ladies and gentlemen, Harvey and Monte here from Client Liaison, and today we've got a very special treat for you.
We have our top 5 beauty tips.
First and foremost, there's nothing more luxurious or opulent than hydrating your face with facial mist. If I don't have a 6-pack of Mario Badescu in my dressing room, the show is over. Understood?
We like to say yes to everything, and more is always more.
This principle extends to our wardrobe and our perfume collection.
Always capitalize on a good head.
So don't let sales targets or punctuality get in the way of your beauty routine.
Our next tip,
You must stay hydrated.
you just gotta keep the liquids up. Keeps your skin looking fresh and moisturized.
Masking in the office is the latest trend.
We like to multitask. It's important to take time out for self-care whenever you can.
Multitasking? More like multi-masking. Sorry, I just don't know where... Oh! God, that was so loud.
Thanks for watching our top 5 beauty tips.
Till next time, that's a wrap, Mecca.